This brushless 4/2 inches cordless circular saw kit comes with 120 volts max 5.0 Ah battery, charger, blade, rip fence, dust port adapter, and tool bag. This cordless circular saw features a bevel gear design allowing users to cut 2x material at 90 degrees and 1x material at 45 degrees, with convenient onboard blade key storage. Users can change blades with minimal hassle. The elongated handle of Dewalt 20 volts cordless circular saw optimizes reach for rip cutting OSB in plywood, using the DCB205 battery. You can cut up to 369 linear feet of 3/4 inches OSB. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The brushless motor of the Dewalt circular saw allows you to cut up to 369 linear feet of 3/4 inches OSB using a DCB205 battery. Number 2. The cordless circular saw has a removable auxiliary handle for increased control. Number 3. The compact circular saw has a hanging hook for increased convenience. Number 4. Onboard blade key storage for hassle-free blade changes. Number 5. 1/2 inches finger trigger allows users to choke up on tool if necessary for their application. Number 6. Bevel gear allows users to cut 2x material at 90 degrees with a 4/2 inches blade. Number 7. Electronic blade brake stops blade quickly for safety and productivity. Number 8. Bevel lever gives the user the ability to bevel at 45 degrees to cut 1x dimensional lumber. Number 9. Onboard dust port for dust control. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the charger work with 220 volts? Answer: no, the charger will not work with 220 volts. Question number 2. Can use for Dewalt battery flex volt? Answer: yes, this is compatible with the flex volt battery line. Question number 3. What are the dimensions of the tool bag? Answer: the Dewalt tool bag provided with this combo is 18 by 12 by 12 inches. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.